Hey everyone, glad to see you here. My name is Nick and today I would like to show you how to join Payoneer affiliate program in 2024. So let's get started, and first of all, let's go to their official website. So just do the following. Type in the search bar Payoneer. Okay, here it is. Now just click on it. And we are on the necessary page. At the top right, you can switch the language to English, for example. And now let's just scroll down to the very bottom, and here, just below the partners label, you can find the partner affiliate program button. Now click on it. Okay, share the love, earn money. Now you can start earning today. So it means that you can join Payoneer affiliate program. Let's click on this button, and after that this window will appear. So you need to fill all these fields: company name, first name, last name, email address, your phone number, in which geographic region will you promote Payoneer, what type of entities will you refer to Payoneer, vertical, in which channels will you promote Payoneer, and comments. And after that, check this checkbox. And now I want to show you how to fill these fields as an example. Let's try to do it. Company name, just type here your company name, how to BC, for example, your first name, last name, your email address, your phone number, of course. Select the necessary geographic region, East Asia, for example. Now select businesses or individuals, select a vertical, and in which channels will you promote Payoneer. I own a website, for example, and here you need to enter a link to your website, and you can leave a comment if you want. And after that, just click on the submit button. Please wait. Thank you. We look forward to getting in touch with you. A member of our team will get back to you soon. So you will receive a message from Payoneer where they will accept your account. So this is how you can easily join Payoneer affiliate program, and I really hope this video was helpful. Put a like under this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.